Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cocktails with Hadrien for a new episode of the 12 Bottle Bar. For my UK friends and colleagues, finally, we've got a date. 12th of April will be able for some of us to go back to work, and for the other, at least, going out and go enjoy some great drinks in some amazing bars in London. The episode of today is about the White Lady. I wanted to do it because I made the margarita in the last episode and it got me thinking that the White Lady is not as much known as it should because it's a delicious cocktail and it follows roughly the same recipe or pattern as the margarita. So you know what to do, grab your shaking equipment and let's get mixing. Depending on who you ask or where you look, the White Lady was either created by Harry MacLeod of Harry's New York bar in Paris, that we talked about in the Boulevardier episode, or by another Harry, which is a legend among bartenders, Harry Craddock. Harry Craddock, among other things, was the head bartender of the American bar, the Savoy, which is an institution for people that loves cocktail. He is as well said to have shaken the last legal cocktail before Prohibition became into effect in the US, and he introduced the concept of bartender training in England by creating the United Kingdom Bartenders Guild. Earlier recipes of this drink were at first including either crème de menthe or cognac. Gin came in it later. And the addition of the egg white is the work of Peter Dorelli, which, like Craddock, was the head bartender of the American bar the Savoy just later. So to make this drink, we're gonna use fresh lemon juice, but before squeezing it, I'm gonna prepare my garnish because I want to make a nice, very good looking lemon zest for my drink. The White Lady is such an amazing cocktail, but it's really lesser known if you're not a cocktail aficionado, which is fine. But if you've got a bottle of Cointreau and a bottle of gin, I urge you, please mix this drink. It's so delicious, you'll thank me later. Here we go, we got our beautiful garnish ready. It's a shaken drink that got an egg white, so we're gonna need our shaking apparatus. You know how it goes. Grab your shaker, your jar with a lid or your Tupperware. And we're gonna start by squeezing our fresh lemon juice. And we'll start here, 25 ml fresh lemon juice, 10 ml of sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is optional. It's not in the original recipe, but I like to add a little bit of it because I like my cocktail a little sweeter for this one. Then we've got our triple sec Cointreau. We're gonna put 20 ml. And finally our gin, 50 ml of gin. And let's not forget our egg white, which we're gonna put in a separate tin to make sure it doesn't react too early with the other ingredients. And now we can add our ice. Just one decent sized cube will do. If you don't have one big cube, just put quite a few. And we're gonna give it a good shake. There's an egg white, so we really need to shake this really hard. If you don't think you're gonna be able to shake it really hard, you can do what in bartending we call wet shake, dry shake. So you can start by shaking with your ice and then add your egg white and shake again to get that really nice foam. So here we go. These have a beautiful foam, smells amazing, and tastes amazing. Now we've got beautiful Nick and Nora, and we're gonna pour this out. And all that's left to do is expressing the oils other zest. And I like to put it as a garnish. There you are. And there you have it, guys, the fantastic White Lady. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. If you're really a cocktail aficionado and you want to learn more about those old classic cocktails, I can only recommend you to get an edition of the Savoy cocktail book. There is different edition through the ages, but it's roughly all the same cocktails with small addition as you go. So please get this book. And thank you so much. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time.